So, hello everyone. So past few days I haven't posted anything on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to post again regarding the TensorFlow I've been working on. This is the code here. The thing is that I recently started taking seriously about TensorFlow and its methods, and wanted to implement a model for that. So I will be telling you what exactly I'm doing, what kind of things we need to focus on when we are working with data science and all. But data science is truly a big word for this thing. But mainly we will be working on what are the prerequisites, what are the dependencies we will be working on, and what kind of dependencies we will be needing in our code. So what there are different kind of data actually. What are neural networks and what is optimizing, what is loss function and all that. What kind of methods we can use to optimize the code. We can say oversampling, undersampling, and all those kind of stuff. I will be teaching you all. So this is just an introduction that I will be start. I will be starting TensorFlow. This is just an introduction video that I wanted to show that I have some kind of, what do you say, some kind of resource to share here, and that will be it. So this is the model I made, which is just a churn data actually. This is the data. It is not in the format right now, but I'll just show you. Wait a minute here. This is the data we will be working on. Actually, this is nothing but a company, and it has some customers. And the churn here means that the customers have stopped using the service or the product, and we're going to predict using this machine learning model here that how many of them will, what do you say, churn. They've been stop using their product and something like that. And this is the actual, we can say actual what we need, and this is the predicted amount. But this is not perfect, because it has only 0.44% of accuracy, which we need more, not that much, because we'll be optimizing it together for these videos and all. And this is just the introduction that we will be working on TensorFlow and understanding its concepts. Uh, First of all, before starting this video series, I would like to say that you should have a bit of Python knowledge regarding the basics and some theoretical knowledge what we are going to implement in this kind of programs or the algorithms, we can say, about machine learning. And talking about my background, I have read the book called as Machine Learning Using Python, which was gifted by my friend to me. And I think I have just not that much, but I have a little bit of knowledge which I can share. Uh, so I think that will be it. This is just an introduction video here that I wanted to share before starting this series, and I hope you guys will like it. Uh, I will posting it on my this account, so be prepared, and hope this will be good. And thank you.